Hello and welcome to this video on the removal of conditions, Form I-751. Removal of conditions based on marriage. When a foreign national applies for a green card based on marriage and the couple married less than 2 years from the day the green card was issued, the green card issued has code CR1 or CR6. This means they receive a conditional permanent resident card that is valid for 2 years. To maintain the residence beyond the 2-year expiration date, it is required to submit a petition to remove conditions, Form I-751, within 90 days prior to the expiration of the conditional residence card. This process is required to validate the legitimacy of the marriage and the intention to continue residing together as a married couple. For this process, petitioner is the conditional resident. Spouse of the petitioner is the spouse. See the example. Requirements to file jointly Form I-751. The petitioner must still be married to the same U.S. citizen or LPR at the time of filing Form I-751. The couple must maintain a bona fide relationship. Petitioner and spouse both sign the Form I-751. Filing I-751 with a waiver of the joint filing. I-751 with waiver is submitted without the signature of the spouse. This process is explained in our video on I-751 with waiver. When to submit your application. If both the applicant and their U.S. citizen or LPR spouse are submitting Form I-751 together, they should file it within 90 days before their green card expires. If Form I-751 is filed after the green card expires, the petitioner must include a written explanation for the late filing. USCIS will determine whether there was good cause for the failure to file Form I-751 within the required time period. Determine when to file Form I-751. Use the USCIS calculator on the link below. Then click on How to determine when to file. Required documents. Submit documents to prove that the couple has a good faith marriage. In most instances, USCIS makes a decision based on the evidence they receive with Form I-751. The more evidence provided, the stronger the petition and the higher possibilities of a positive outcome. Examples of bona fide marriage documents: joint bank account and credit card statements of the previous 2 years, copies of driver's licenses showing the couple have the same address, mortgage of lease agreement showing both names, copies of joint tax returns, joint flight tickets or hotel bookings, photos of the couple together and with friends and family, copies of any joint utilities or bills, copies of joint life, car, medical insurance policies or policy card, any other joint assets or holdings. The process. Petition to remove conditions. The petitioner submits Form I-751 to USCIS with all the required documents and filing fees. The form is available on this link. Make sure to read and follow the form's instructions. Receipt notices. USCIS sends the petitioner a receipt notice acknowledging receipt of Form I-751 stating the green card has been extended, usually 24 to 48 months. Biometrics appointment. The petitioner receives a biometrics appointment notice to provide fingerprints, photo, and signature. Decision. USCIS may waive the interview and proceed to adjudicate based on the merits of the petition and supporting documents. USCIS will approve or deny the petition. If approved, the petitioner receives in the mail a green card that expires in 10 years and can be renewed every 10 years. Citizenship. If the petitioner remains married, then can apply for citizenship, Form N-400, after 3 years from the date the green card was issued. If the petitioner divorces after the approval of the I-751, then may apply for citizenship after 5 years from the day the first green card was issued. Watch our N-400 video to learn more about citizenship. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to www.lawallyus.com. New courses available.